This is our lovely little boat. We are going to start fixing up our little...
I mean, you do it. That doesn't look like it's gonna, Tina. Kill him. It doesn't look like it was as big as the other one.
And here we go, another day trying to work on our beautiful yacht, okay? Well, I mean, it's in the eyes of the beholder. So now that we are bringing you into our wonderful journey of our brand new boat, well, it's new to us, okay? New to us. So, you know, we're gonna make it work. But here's the thing. When we brought it home, they failed to tell us that this thing right here, okay, this thing right here was dry rotted. And as soon as we got it home, it broke. So, bye-bye. But what we did do is we went to budget-friendly umbrella. Okay? Okay? And guess what? It was $3 because it was on sale. It was 50% off, and we got it from no other place but Five Below. So let's see how this goes. Hopefully we won't bake in the sun and it will work. So there you have it. Let's give this baby a bath. Lights from Amazon. And they are hopefully waterproof. That's what they say. So we'll see. Can't wait.